also add lens and look over to Golden Bridge, as well as more beautiful places to share with you guys. Make sure you guys stay around and see these beautiful places with me. Check out the view behind me, guys. Look at this. Wow, it is so beautiful. I am going to walk all the way down and capture closer views to share with you all. Okay, stay tuned and check it out. Alright guys, look at the view. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
The view is so beautiful.
Our plants and look out. Good singing. Right here guys, it's used to be the swimming pool, and long times ago it used to have a Ferris wheel as well. Unfortunately, yeah, earthquake happened, and yeah, fire also happened. It all broke down, and I believe, yeah, the government did not have enough money to rebuild it, and this is what we have right now. Beautiful, but no swimming pool, no Ferris wheel, right? Yeah.
We're going to check out the cave.
All right, Liv said, let's go check out the cave.
I should go to
Don't jump, guys. Don't jump. Libby, look at the water flashing right there. Oh, that's amazing. Right now we are in the cave, scary cave.
And the cave there.
Ooh, let's check out the water right here. Ooh. It's so dark in here. We cannot see the water anymore, huh? Oh, it is right here, right here. Whoa, look right here. And we wait until the water flash is coming. Ooh. Wow. This is really good. Ooh, coming.
It's a good beautiful right there.
Uh-huh. All right. Better.
Yeah, like out, like the stem, like without the stem.
Like a jack-o'-lantern, like really take off the
Yeah, look at that one, look at that left.
Whoa. That is crazy beautiful.
That's a left.
Yeah,
like
this one too.
Wow.
Oh my god, that was so
Then you'd be good. Then you'd stop.
And then you get washed into the fucking rock.
You'd fall.
Oh, come in.
Keep there. And then down the door and then step out.
smack your head on that.
Yeah, underneath
It
this
would be
one.
impossible to make your way back out to with all the water moving. Or just like the river keeping these things
You
going.
have to stay out there. Figure that out.
Well, you would end up, yeah, you'd either have to paddle to save your life or end up in a rock.
As much as the waves are sick, there's no way you
Oh, this one a big one.
Not right here.
Don't take the first one. Take the second.
No, not right here. Like,
That's
literally,
amazing.
you get stuck on the fucking or you can get on. Like, there's days where you cannot. Like, Mandy, today
Lucky you healed the
was
back
almost.
there.
That is so good.
I mean,
feel like this is a training.
yeah,
I can't serve the hiking training.
yeah. You can, like, go get your ass kicked and catch one wave until you get your ass kicked.
Only one.
All right.
Yeah. When-
Thank you guys for watching. For more traveling video, make sure to like, subscribe, press on the bell button, and I will see you. Bye bye.